Okay, good day everyone. Let's continue our topic. Now, pag-uusapan naman natin is your arterial insufficiency. Okay, so meron tayong dalawang topic dyan, your Raynaud's disease and your Buerger's disease. So, unahin muna natin yung Raynaud's disease natin. Okay, your Raynaud's disease is also known as your atherosclerosis obliterans. Okay, or your ASO na sinasabi nila. Okay, ano nga ba tong Raynaud's disease? Okay, this is a vasospastic disorder characterized by episodic constriction of the small arteries and arterioles. Okay, and yung Raynaud's disease natin specifically, okay, common saan? Sa may upper extremities. Okay, upper extremities such as your hands. Okay. Sorry for that. So mas specific siya sa upper extremities natin. Okay. Now, ano yung mga modifiable risk factors natin? We have your cold exposure, emotional stress, smoking, nicotine use, caffeine intake, medications such as your beta blockers, decongestants, amphetamines, occupational exposure to vibration, poor protection against cold and emotional stress. Okay. They cause what? Your vasoconstriction or vasospasm. Okay? So, they can cause vasoconstriction and vasospasm. Okay? Now, yung non-modifiable risk factor naman natin, it's female. Okay? So, mas prone ang female. Okay? Then, primarily 15 to 30 years old. Secondary natin, elderly, and then yung mga patient natin with family history and autoimmune disorders such as your SLE and your rheumatoid arthritis, I should say. Okay? RA is rheumatoid arthritis. Now, if you are exposed to the non-modifiable and modifiable risk factor, okay, it activates the SNS, causing what? Your excessive vasoconstriction. Saan? Sa digital arteries natin, okay? Digital arteries, ibig sabihin saan? Sa kamay, okay? Sa kamay, okay? Sa hands. Okay, so magre-reduce ngayon yung blood flow. Okay, so ano yung mga signs and symptoms na pwede nating makita sa may Raynaud's disease natin? We have your classic triphasic color change. Okay, so ibig sabihin may makikita tayo dyan. Yung paleness, okay, pale, bluish discoloration, and yung red, okay, reddish discoloration. Okay, pallor, okay, yung pale natin, kapag nagkaroon kasi ng vasoconstriction, di ba nagkakaroon ng paleness, okay? Pag cyanosis naman, nagkakaroon ng oxygen deprivation. And then yung red, reperfusion and vasodilation, okay? Kung makikita nyo yung kamay, ganyan yung itsura ng patient na may Raynaud's disease, okay? So, nagkakaroon ng cold sensitivity and numbness and tingling sensation saan sa kamay and even pain because of what? Ischemia. Okay? Because of ischemia. Okay? Kaya nagkakaroon ng what? Nagkakaroon ng pain. Okay? And then, pag nagkaroon na ng ischemia yan, okay, pwede magkaroon ng digital ulcer. Okay? Digital ulcer. Okay? Tandaan nyo, yung mga fingers nyo, ang ibang tawag doon is digits. Okay? Yung fingers. Digits. Kaya pwede bang magka-ulcer yung kamay? Yes. Okay, pwede bang mag-crack yung skin? Yes. Pwede bang magkaroon ng delayed wound healing? Yes. Dahil sa oxygen deprivation. Okay? Dahil sa decreased oxygen. Okay? Okay, and then tissue necrosis and your gangrene. Okay, and then repeated episodes may cause endothelial dysfunction. Okay, so this is your Raynaud's disease. Okay, next na pag-uusapan naman natin is your Buerger's disease. Okay, your Buerger's disease. Ano naman yung Buerger's disease natin? Okay, it is your thromboangiitis obliterans or your TAO. So, ibig sabihin may inflammation. Okay, your Buerger's disease is a chronic inflammatory non-atherosclerotic vascular disease characterized by segmental inflammation and thrombosis on the small and medium arteries and veins. Okay, so what are the modifiable risk factors? Okay, we have your what? We have your tobacco use. Okay, your cigarettes. Okay, your cigarettes. Ano bang ginagawa ng tobacco use natin? Okay, it cause what? It irritates. Okay, it irritates the blood vessel. Okay? It irritates the blood vessel, causing what? Inflammation. Okay? Or clot formation. Yan yung ginagawa ng tobacco use natin. Okay? So, yung e-cigarettes naman natin, okay? Yung e-cigarettes naman natin, okay, they could trigger, okay? They could trigger. Okay, they could trigger or worsen, okay, the progression. Progression of what? Of the disease, okay? Of the disease or your nicotine exposure and your cold exposure can cause what? Your vasospasm, okay? Your vasospasm, okay? And we have your non-modifiable risk factors such as your male, okay? Kung yung Raynaud's natin, mas common siya sa female, yung Buerger's disease naman natin, mas common siya sa male, okay? 45 genetics and family history. Now, ano ba ang nangyayari? Okay, after the exposure kasi to your modifiable and non-modifiable risk factors, okay, nagkakaroon ng what? Nagkakaroon ng abnormal immune-mediated inflammatory response. Okay, saan? Sa may blood vessel ninyo na affected. Okay, so all layers of the blood vessel is affected. Now, dahil lahat daw ng blood vessel is affected, nagkakaroon ng formation of cellular thrombus within the vessel lumen. Okay? Dun sa loob, nagkakaroon ng what? Nagkakaroon ng thrombus formation. And that thrombus formation could cause what? Obstruction. That could lead to reduced blood flow. Okay? And then decreased perfusion. Okay? So now, may mga signs and symptoms tayo na pwedeng makita saan? Sa may Buerger's disease natin. Okay? Unang-una dyan is your intermittent claudication. Pag sinabi nating intermittent claudication, it is what? Exercise-induced muscle pain. Okay? Wrong spelling. Sorry. Exercise-induced. Okay? Muscle pain. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, pag gumagalaw ka, nag-walk ka, di ba? Yung pain sumasakit. Okay? That's intermittent claudication. Okay? So, meron ding called to sensitivity. Okay? Numbness or tingling sensation and Raynaud's-like symptoms. Okay? And then, pag nag-progress pa to, sorry, it could lead to your what? It could lead to what? Rest pain at night. Okay? Rest pain at night. Okay? So, pag nagpapahinga ka, mas sumasakit siya. Okay? Pwede rin tayo makakita ng cyanosis, pallor, diminished distal pulse. Pag sinabi natin diminished distal pulse, okay, yung pinakamalayo. Okay? Yung sa may paa na pulse mo nawawala. Okay? And then, nagkakaroon ng muscle fatigue and it could lead to what? Ischemia. And if, and only if, naging severe yan, pwedeng magkaroon ng ulceration, delayed wound healing, tissue necrosis, and your gangrene. Okay? So, ganito yung itsura niya. Okay? Ayan. Yan yung mga pwede nyong makita sa patient natin with your what? Buerger's disease. Okay? Buerger's disease. Okay? So, that is your arterial insufficiency.